Hi, I'm Theo, and I want to answer some questions about this 3D printed fursuit hat here. So, the first question is, can I use the movable ears and eyelids a lot faster than I did in my last video? So, something like that. Yes, I can. The speed is just dependent on how fast I pull or push on the end of a cable. So I I have no really limitations about that built in. Second question is, can all the parts move independently? So the eyes and the ears. So yes, they can. And also, it's not really limited in the speed or how I use them. Do I need both hands to control that? No, I don't. It's just pulling or pushing on a cable, and I can do that easily with 2 fingers. And it doesn't matter which hand I use to do that. So, next question is, could I use the flexible fursuit hats that I lately showed to build these kinds of animatronics? And well, the answer is yes, but it's a lot more difficult to do so because I have to stiffen certain parts. For example, if I want to use the ears, I have to have something where I can pull so the ear can go down and push so it can go up. And if the whole head base is flexible, it's very easy to move the head base, but not the part that you want to move. So you have to stiffen the part where the Bowden cable sits. Well, it is certainly possible, but at the moment I have no plans to try that out. Good. Next question. Is it easy to see out of the head base? Yes, it is. If you look closer, the iris and also pupil of the eye are see-through mesh. I made this mesh by printing the eye with a laser printer and when using a laser cutter to make lots of tiny holes. So it is a very fine mesh and it's very easy to see through it. And my field of vision is pretty large, so that's what I can see left to right. Down, well, there is a black space where the muzzle is, but in front of me is no problem and I can look down without problems, so it's not really a problem for me. Which brings me to the next question. Do the eyelids return to a default position by themselves? Well, at the moment they don't. So if I don't hold the cable, they can close without me wanting to close. That will soon change because at the moment the cable is just this here, so push and pull, and there is nothing at the end. So I will shorten the cable and I will add a little knob at the end that makes it easier to grab it. And that knob will have a certain weight to it, so the eyelid stays in the default position by itself. That's it for now. Bye bye.